through drought and famine, natural disasters. My baby is blue. Angels are falling, angels be calling. None of them could ever make me. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a minute, won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing?
Hey my blessings, welcome to the vlog. It's a girl who CCUA, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tapping in again. And if you are new here, welcome to the blessed gang. No stress, just blessings. So if you want to become one of us, make sure you click that subscribe button, make sure you like this video, make sure you share. Whenever you're subscribing, I'm watching you guys. If you're new here, welcome to the blessed gang. No stress, just blessings. So let's get into the vlog. So guys, I'm coming from work. I've been back for a while now. I know I look crusty. Let's focus on the vlog. I even changed my clothes for they're about to comfortable. I've been back for a while now. So I passed by the mall and I got a couple of things. I got a few things nyana. Not all of them are from Pep. It's a few nyana because I didn't want to carry a lot of stuff. So I just shuffled them in one plastic bag. So let me show you guys what I got. I got this water bottle. I got it go Kaylin home, yeah, for gym, because guys this year I wanna be a gym girl. I'll be starting in April, guys. I'm not happy with my weight. I'm so skinny, like, so I wanna gain weight. My weight is stressing me and I'm like insecure. Like my biggest insecurity is my weight, guys. I'm so skinny, so I wanna maybe going to the gym. Boost the weight in. And guys, my eating, like like guys, I can eat once a day and that's it. So this year I'm pushing for at least gain a weight in. I'm not happy with my weight, so I got this water bottle for gym. It's in the color purple, guys. I have this one, got this one last year. It's also in the color purple. You can tell my favorite color, guys. My favorite color is purple. I love purple with all my heart. Like I love purple with all my heart, guys. Like recently growing up, I used to love pink. Obviously I'm a girl, so yeah. I also got this hairpiece for my hair, guys. Got the hairpiece for my hair. I want to do a ponytail, guys. Like, I keep it. If you know me, you know I keep it so like so I keep it so I want to do a ponytail, just that no get broke. That's why you see me with Ben and Betty. So I want to do a ponytail. I got this Fibra is a hot water braid. I like it, guys. Like when you use it, the curls I think they last, and it's very affordable. It's like 25 rands. Yeah, I got it Gonizams for only 25 rands. Yeah, and I got, if you know me, if we're in our kids, if you know me, you know I can't live without this girl. You know I can't live without this girl, guys. This is my favorite of them all. And Kanako, it's only 12 rands. And then I also got bobby pins. As I said, I wanna do a ponytail. Yeah, on this vlog. I'm gonna do a ponytail probably tomorrow. Oh, today it's Wednesday, probably Thursday or Friday. Yeah. And I bought edge brush. I once had this and it broke, so I got it again. It was 13 rings. And then I got a tweezer for my lashes. Like guys, now I do my maintenance. Unless if kinyakoloha, but if I wanna do a ponytail, I do it myself. And if I wanna do lashes, I do it myself. Unless if I wanna do my nails or I wanna do braids. Unless it's everything this girl. So I also got the bag as a two for little in Buhle. I love them down. So I got them bags for power. They were 30 rings each. I got them the same bags because they are always fighting, guys. They are always fighting. Guys, they are always fighting. So I got them the bags out one because if I buy them different bags, but a one. If like a one, so I got them the yeah. Keep my twins, guys. They are not twins like twins. They are sisters, but they behave like twins. They are always fighting. So I got, yeah. Oh my god. And then I also got socks because winter is approaching. I got socks. They were 50 rands from Pep. 3 pairs of socks. And then I got styling gel for my hair, ponytails of course. And then these shoes for Bongani, for bongs. Wanna updaka. Guys, it was his birthday on the 26th of February. So I got Marakela sale, guys. So I decided to buy him these shoes. They were 170 from Pep. Yeah, I like them, guys. I wanted to buy him like a jacket. I want to share now my 350 to 400. Whoa, that's wait a minute. So my sister got me a dress from Fashini, guys. It's a butter yellow dress. I don't think I'm gonna show you guys Nakia Berry, but it's a butter yellow dress. It doesn't fit, like it needs to be tailored here and there, guys. I'm so skinny. Everything that I buy has to be tailored. Why? No, this has to change. It was 600 rands from Fashini, guys. Fashini. Oh, it's not focusing. Fashini. And I also got these shoes from Pep. Guys, I needed new shoes like for more high, cause oh my god, so I got these ones from Pep. I like them. They are very comfortable, and I can also wear them like miracle because guys, it's not like something that's formal, like it's a leadership. So yeah, I'm also gonna wear them when I'm going to work. And guys, I bought a tripod. Like, this is my best purchase of the day. Everything Caribana, like, ew, wara. Mara, I went to the mall specifically for a tripod, and I bought it. Hey guys, it came with this. I think it's a remote control. It also came with 2 lights. like they are here. Let me show you guys. Oh, I can't. So yeah, got a tripod. Like, I'm so happy, guys. I wanted to get a ring light named Mara, but the budget was not budgeting, so we're gonna get it next month. So yeah.
Natural disaster. My baby is built around me. Kingdom to falling. Angels be calling.
So guys, you remember on my previous vlog, me and my mom, when we went to the complex, we were looking for an affordable machine. So guys, yesterday my dad went to the mall and then we bought this. I didn't vlog that because I didn't have time. I was tired. I was coming back from work. So yeah, guys, we decided to buy this baby machine from ShopRite. It was only 1.2, very affordable. I wanted something that's very affordable. Yeah, that's in my budget, so decided to go with this one. It's a baby washing machine. It comes with this, and it also comes with, oh my god, this. It was very affordable, guys. You can also find the machine on okay furnitures. But guys, this is a big girl purchase. I did that. I mean, girl, it's not something that's big, but I'm so proud of myself. It's a baby machine. It's not too cool, but to me it means a lot because, girl. So yeah, guys, I'm grateful to God, like being able to do such small things for your family. Like, it's a blessing. Like, I'm the happiest girl. At the moment, I feel like get like new furniture for my apartment. Like, guys, I did it. I did it, guys. Too many more. So yeah, let's go do the laundry.
Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a feeling inside, I feel it. You're like, all I can shoot me. And I'm sorry when I feel like, all I can shoot me. Will you ever love your own woman? And when we make love, your own woman. Your eyes can be heard from far and wide. It's only you to provide this. Your own woman. Everything I need between those that I have. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I
my hair with me because I look like a para. So, today is a Saturday, guys. I haven't talked to you all today. The last time I talked to you guys was yesterday when I was doing my laundry. Today is a Saturday and it's later during the day. Guys, I ended up not going to the gym. I don't know for what reason, but definitely sure tomorrow after church I'm going there. I don't know if Babareka on Sundays or what, but I'm hoping they'll be there. I'll find them. So I don't even know where to start. Guys, I'm filming for TikTok and YouTube. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but I'm definitely gonna try because I wanna gain like influence on all my socials: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Yeah, I was using a ring light. I think the lighting is better now. When I was using it, the lighting was a bit, and it's at night, guys. You know, when you are vlogging using an Android, lighting is the problem. Lighting is a problem, like a huge one. So I don't think a ring light is working for me at the moment. Guys, I've cut my hair. Guys,
it was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
No ways. Guys, please recommend like products that I can use for hairline because I have a big problem. Yeah, hairline. Please recommend something that I can use for my hairline, something that is affordable, something that is cheap. Okay? Please comment down below or recommend something that I can use for my hair. So guys, here are the things that you're gonna need for your ponytail. Firstly, styling gel, very essential. I recommend Soften Free styling gel. The best. And I also use this ones. Their curls last, guys. They last for a very long time. I always use it. How the ponytail looks. I'm not happy at all. I'm not happy. Yo, I'm not happy, and it has kalanyan. Guys, when it comes to ponytails, I eat, but this is not me. Something is definitely wrong. Something is definitely wrong. I mean, I don't know whether maybe it's my hair, guys. Like, it's bad. I'm not happy. Or maybe I should show you guys in the morning. I don't think you guys can see how bad it is. Like, it's bad. But guess is a team. Let me go and sleep and get some rest. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning when I go to church. Guys, I'm not happy. Guys, like, this hair looks bad. Like, get all one afro, and I'll show you guys like the ponytails that I usually do. I will insert videos of the ponytails that I usually do. This is not me. This is not it. Like, this is bad. Oh. And like, happy say like, but hey, more lemu, guys. Yeah, chapeau. Hi guys, it is a new day into the new day to go to church.
Thank you, Jesus. Ah, Azabe.
Till the end, I'ma always be right by your side. I know you're the one. I know our time will come. I feel you in my heart. I see you in my dreams. I keep you in my prayers. That's what ranta kapile kana tsena ka tsena mangena masona
She's brand new.
Sothandwela mbona ngehlanyuka ngifuna wena mbona wena wedwa hayi sothandwela ngifuna wena wedwa angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu baby ngisemathandweni
Can I have small
baby ngisemathandweni
or extra small? Do you have
baby ngisemathandweni baby ngisemathandweni bona ngehlanyuka ngifuna
small
wena
medium?
bona wena wedwa hayi ngisothandweni bona ngehlanyuka ngifuna wena wedwa angifuna omunye umuntu
Hi, buhle. Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog.
angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu
Guys, this is what I'm having. We are having chips. Yoko Kyle. Hi.
Sothandweni bona ngehlanyuka
Hi, guys. Guys, we are currently in. Oh my god, my god. Oh, I told you. We are currently in Social Mall to run a couple of errands. I'm waiting for my sister. A couple of people will come up. So right now I'm waiting for my ice cream, and then after that we call it a day. We go to the chips with that. Hi. What are you? You're on journey. It's out of high go YouTube. It's out of high go YouTube. I'm not gonna high go YouTube. I'm not gonna high go YouTube. 1, 2, 3, go. Cheers. Cheers. Then I got ice cream. Bisa karma bansi ice cream cari. Oh, nali bisa nali di ice cream. Ada nama. Ada nama. There has too much sugar. I'm starting like to dislike something like that. Too much. Hey, wanuna metsi terene ngwana. Nna ke itse re emetse
Mara e loko.
ka recorda. Guys, we are back from the mall. I'm here to officially close off the vlog, but before I close off the vlog, let me show you a few things that we've got. Oh, wait a minute, I'm coming back. Alimputis. We got gym membership, guys. We going to work out. Guys, I'm officially part of the Bionics Fitness Club. Actually, if you are around Chikulane and you wanna go join a gym, here are their numbers. 081. It's focusing. Here are their numbers. If you are interested, Luana Unyakoba, one of the fit girls. If Luana Unyakoba strong, contact them. Contact them, guys. Guys, I'm so excited. Oh, from like you can pay 250 mara. If I say contract, if like that month you wanna skip gym unale matsatsanyana alizak, you can organize wasepateli and yeah. Let me show you guys what I got. Since well, I'm a gym girl. I got for gym. I got gym clothes. I got a vest. It's a vest. It's whitish, guys. Ne? I got vest a white. It was. I got it called Belém. It was 45 friends. And I also got, it's a tight, gym tight. It was 60 rands, also from Belém. Nice. I got socks again. 3 socks. I'm wearing pair anyway. It's 3 pairs. What's that? Oh, yeah, it's 3 pairs. The other pair I gave it to my sister, and I got 2. They were 15 rand each. And we also my sister got a gift for her boyfriend because tomorrow it's his birthday. Yeah, I can't show you guys. They are not mine. So, and we also got for my dad, for my mom and dad, we got them Hungry Lion. So yeah, guys, that's what so yeah, guys, I think we've reached the end of the video. Yeah, See you on the next one. And if you have reached this far, make sure that you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, make sure that you comment down below or enjoying on this vlog. And please guys, give me advices on what you would like to see on my videos, on my vlogs. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. See you on the next one.
Fill me up till my cup's overflowing.